Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma TS4150i. What I want to do is to show you how to reset all settings. This printer is currently connected with my mobile phone and is showing us online. If you reset all settings, the printer will no longer be connected to network. So if there's any problem with the Wi-Fi network or you move a home, you can reset all settings and it will clear all the Wi-Fi information. So the printer is connected to Wi-Fi network. If you look on the control panel, you will see that the Wi-Fi light is steady. What that means is the printer is connected to Wi-Fi network, and just like it's showing us on the mobile phone online. I want to show you how to reset the network. And if you reset the network, the Wi-Fi will be off. So to do this, what you need to do is you need to press the stop button, press and hold it until the warning light flashes 16 times, then you release it. It will turn off the Wi-Fi. So press and hold this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and release it. The printer on will be flashing. So we need to keep an eye on the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is off. See that the printer is on, is flashing. So this is how to reset the printer. And if you look on the mobile device, TS4100 series offline. So this is how to reset the printer to factory default setting to clear all settings. Thank you very much indeed. I hope this helped you. Thank you.